Hey Chaos Fam! So you know this is gonna be a super informal video. I don't know what I'm gonna say. Hey Chaos Fam! So I changed up the scenery. I'm literally on the comfort of my bed. And I wanted to do this quick video because I was cleaning out one of my drawers and I remembered that I reuse, recycle my IPSY bags all the time because I'm that kind of Say the Turtles kind of girl. Most of you, I think, are familiar with IPSY, probably subscribed to IPSY right now. I was subscribed for a while. I just canceled it because I thought it was getting repetitive. But they're great, and if you want to try it out, go right ahead. I think $12. I think it's now $12 is perfect for the products that they let you try out that you probably wouldn't have tried out otherwise. This is not sponsored in any way at all. But yeah, here we go. So I always have this one in my car because this is my period survival kit, I like to call it, I guess. I prefer cloth panty liners and cloth pads, but I'm not exclusive to using just cloth. I do use the store-bought all the time. This one I have in my car because we like to go road tripping often, and sometimes we'll go with a big group, and my girlfriends would be like, I wasn't expecting my period, I just got it, does anyone have pads? And I'm always the one that has this handy in my car. It's easy, I just put 3 of each, some tampons, some pads. I also have in here, oh lord, I'm using one hand to film and one hand to grab. Panty liners. I probably pay mad extra because of the cute packaging, but oh well. And these are moist towelettes that are okay to use on your hoo-ha. And they're flushable. So yeah, I always have that on hand because sometimes when you're in a foreign place, you need to clean well, and these come in super handy. It's so horrible to be out with your period, but I mean, you're not going to pause your life because of it, right? I know some people get really, really bad pain and like really heavy flow. This is probably TMI for this video, but yeah, that happens. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this, but I am what they call God's favorite, and I only get mine for 3 days, and it's like not that bad. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys found some use for your extra IPSY bags. I have like 20, and most of them I use for either this or carry around makeup. Sometimes I put money in them. They're great little wallets, totes, things like that. They're cute bags. So anyway, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching my little hack video. Hack, survival, I don't know. Bye.